Before programming, ensure you have a working OEM or compatible key fob. Replace the battery if needed with a CR2032 type. You'll also need a working vehicle key separate from the fob you're programming. Enter the vehicle using a working key, not the key fob you're about to program. This ensures the system is ready for synchronization. Cycle the ignition. Turn the key to on-run position without starting the engine, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 3 times within 10 seconds to enter programming mode. The vehicle may chime or flash lights. On the third ignition cycle, leave the key in the on-run position. Press and hold the lock button on the key fob for 1 to 2 seconds, then release. The vehicle should respond with a horn honk or lights flashing. If programming multiple fobs, repeat the button press within 40 seconds. To exit programming mode, turn the ignition to off and remove the key. Test the programmed fob by locking and unlocking the vehicle from outside. Remember, precise timing is crucial throughout this process. Now let's address troubleshooting and important considerations when programming your 2015-2016 GMC Yukon key fob. Be aware of potential pitfalls. Timing errors can erase all programmed fobs, so always program one at a time. If the vehicle has a security light flashing, it may indicate a failed sync. Always ensure your vehicle's battery is functional at 12 volts or more, and there are no other fobs in range during programming. User reports from forums like Ars GMC show high success rates, but failures often stem from dead batteries or interference. Aftermarket fobs are a cost-effective alternative to OEM fobs, but be cautious of compatibility issues. General Motors issued a recall-like advisory in 2023 for certain counterfeit aftermarket models, causing intermittent lock failures. If DIY fails, consider subscription-based services like AAA or universal programmers like the Autel Maxi-IM IM608. While the automotive industry is moving towards smartphone-based digital keys, this DIY method remains a viable cost-saving measure for 2015-2016 Yukons. If you experience issues, consult a mechanic, as untrained attempts can lead to immobilizer failures.